Power Tracker is a resource that provides easy access to data on renewable energy projects and the decommissioning of coal-powered plants in South Africa. The first iteration of this mapping tool tracks projects based in Mpumalanga, the country's energy capital. Developed by journalists for journalists, it maps information on the carbon footprint, impact, cost, spending, and repurposing initiatives. The platform also hosts a growing dossier of investigative reporting that either uses the map's data or is otherwise related to renewable energy. So why Power Tracker and why now? The world is switching to less polluting renewable power sources such as solar, wind, geothermal, biomass, and hydropower, and billions are being pledged to build renewable energy sources. Power Tracker investigates where this investment in renewable energy ends up and how it is being used. One of the biggest challenges in reporting the renewable energy revolution is following the huge amounts of money pledged. Our Power Tracker project helps journalists and other users to drill down into the granular details of renewable energy projects. And until now, there has been no single place to access this information easily. What does Power Tracker do and how do you use it? The Power Tracker map is populated with icons containing information about renewable energy projects and coal-powered plants as per the category selector. The default display on the map is all categories. If you only want information about one category, click on the category selector on the top left of the map. Hover your cursor over an icon and a text box will pop up, providing detailed information about the type, capacity, carbon footprint, mitigation value, cost, spending, and impact of projects. The tool includes a search function at the top left to help users filter information and find topics of interest. If you want to learn about a specific project, for instance, simply type the name of that project in the search box and you'll get results that are relevant to that word. You can use the alert system on the map to subscribe to receive updates on either an area or a specific project. Each time the data is updated, you will receive an email with this information. How can journalists use the tool? Journalists can use Power Tracker to track specific data, patterns, or trends for use in their investigations. At the click of a button, Power Tracker can show you where renewable energy initiatives are concentrated, for instance, and whether this is being added to the national grid. Other examples are: what is the most popular type of energy source? Solar, wind, or biomass? What affects this? Is it based on the resources already available or current policy and legislation? And what will the different coal-powered plants be used for once they are shut down? Journalists can use the data to identify topics on which to build new stories through government documents, company reports, plans, studies, and external research. For more information on how you can use Power Tracker, click on Guide for Journalists. Journalists and others are encouraged to share data via the tool whenever they come across it. If you know of renewable energy projects that are not on Power Tracker, you can do this by clicking on Submit Your Data. Contributing to the consolidated database will help you and other users keep track of information for research and story purposes. You can also request access to Power Tracker data to use in your research and investigations. Do this by clicking on Get Power Tracker Data. One of the goals of Power Tracker is to build on our dossier of stories based on the tool's data. The stories produced through the help of Power Tracker data are featured on our investigations page on the Oxpeckers site and by partner media outlets. You can suggest a story by clicking on Reach Out under Get Involved. Our latest feature is the Oxpeckers Learning Kit. Here you will find resources and material created in the interests of advancing data journalism and environmental reporting around the globe. Watch some of our webinars, videos, interviews, view our top tips and tools, and hear about first-hand experiences from journalists we have worked with. We look forward to hearing about your experiences with Power Tracker and would like to welcome you to our ever-growing community.